In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable sensitive content on Instagram mobile. Let's open the Instagram app. In the bottom right corner, tap on the profile icon. In the top right corner, tap on the three vertical lines. In the Settings menu, scroll down and go to the What You See section. In this section, tap on Content Preferences. In the Preference menu, tap on Sensitive Content. Enabling sensitive content on Instagram allows users to have a more open and unrestricted browsing experience, especially when exploring content in the Explore tab or viewing posts from accounts they don't follow. Instagram automatically filters out posts it considers sensitive, such as those involving mild nudity, violence, or controversial topics, which may limit access to content that is educational, artistic, or relevant to personal interests. By enabling sensitive content, users can take greater control over what they see, ensuring they don't miss out on valuable or thought-provoking posts simply because they fall outside Instagram's default content filters. Here, you can see that my sensitive content preference is set to less. You can change it to standard, where you will see some sensitive content. You can also change it to more, where you might see more sensitive content. And that's it. Following these steps, you can enable sensitive content on Instagram easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.